Hello guys!
Hi!
Welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, me and my son Kevin, he's 8 years old, we're going to be doing an unboxing. And this is going to be a special unboxing because he enjoys music, enjoys playing piano, right?
Yeah.
He plays all kinds of music and I got him a finger piano. This is Kalimba. Let's go ahead and actually get to the unboxing. We're going to open this up. And here, you could do it.
Okay. Here is our finger piano.
Wow! It's a hammer.
Yeah, this is actually really cool.
You like made out of wood. It's actually nicely shaped. There's two holes in the back. Everything is nicely smoothed out.
Dad, this is a really cool looking piano.
Jason, you want to try? Wow, Jason, you're playing some cool music. Wow, it's such a... Good job! Oh yeah, of course. Hey guys, this is Kalimba. In order to play this type of instrument, you might want to actually tune it first. There is this little hammer that's actually included with this Kalimba, and all you do is basically just kind of like knock them into place right here. It's actually really easy to do. There is a couple screws right over here, right in between these type of notes. You could kind of like loosen it a little bit. But I found that it's actually loose enough to actually do some adjusting. So just to... you could see some of these notes were not straight when I actually got it, so it was not actually making proper sound. Like now you could tell it's making it pretty good. My kids are using this to play kind of like the holophone. But it's actually meant to play with thumbs. It does come with a booklet here, and this is some music that you could play. One of the music is Little Star over here. You Are My Sunshine. There is a tuning type of software that you could actually download for your smartphone, and you could actually tune this thing. But I think this is more like for kids, even though it's actually made really high quality. For the price that it's actually selling for, I really don't know how they're selling it with such a nice little bag, some stuff included, and then obviously having a little hammer. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care of yourself and God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.